Sanjay Kapoor, the well-known businessman and former husband of Bollywood actress Karishma Kapoor, passed away recently, leaving behind a legacy of love, friendship, and unforgettable memories. His passing has deeply affected those who knew him, but none more so than his wife, Priya Sachdev. At Sanjay's Tehri Rasam, a traditional ceremony held on the 13th day after his passing, Priya delivered a moving and emotional speech that quickly went viral. Her heartfelt words have resonated with many, capturing the depth of her grief and the love she continues to hold for her late husband. As the family gathered to honor Sanjay, Priya, visibly emotional, took the stage to share a powerful message about her husband's enduring presence in their lives. She began by thanking everyone for being there and acknowledging the support from family and friends. "Thank you everyone for being here. I was told today is the 13th day when the soul departs and finds peace, and as a family we are meant to get closure. But for me, Sanchi hasn't left. He's still here. I feel him. I see him in all the children. Samaira, Safira, Kian, and Azarias." Her words were filled with both love and strength as she spoke about Sanjay's lasting presence. She went on to say, "He'll always be alive in them. He'll always be alive through Sona Comster, through his team. He'll always be alive through his school friends. He'll always be alive through Polo. He's alive. He hasn't departed. I'm not letting you go, Sanchi. I'm not letting you go." As Priya continued, her grief and love for Sanjay were palpable. She shared an intimate moment from his final days, reflecting on the deep connection they shared in his last moments. "You have to be here, holding my hand, walking with us all and guiding us. I don't know if I was cursed or blessed to be with him in his last moments, but the universe has strange ways of doing things. And yes, I was right there with him, in his last breath, watching you, begging him to come on, crying to the divine power to bring him back. But I just felt him, and I hugged him, and I lay there with him on the polo ground, hugging him, connected with him and earth and nature. Just one. I love you, Sanchi. We love you." Sanjay, known for his business acumen and love for polo, will never be forgotten by those who loved him. His presence in the lives of his children, friends, and colleagues will remain forever. In this time of grief, Priya's heartfelt words remind us of the enduring power of love and memory. Although Sanjay Kapoor may not be with us, his spirit continues to live on through the people and moments he cherished. Our thoughts are with Priya and the entire Kapoor family during this difficult time. May they find comfort in knowing that Sanjay's legacy will never fade. Alia Bhatt is a certified Rekha fangirl. Recently, she stole the spotlight at the Umrao Jaan screening, and what she wore is causing quite a buzz. Alia paid a beautiful tribute to Rekha's iconic look from the 1981 classic Silsila. Styled by Rhea Kapoor, Alia's sari was a stunning pink, complete with feather earrings that channeled Rekha's timeless style. Rekha's character, Chandni, in Silsila has become an evergreen fashion inspiration. And Alia, she nailed it. The light pink sari, dewy makeup, and untied hair had all the right vibes of Rekha's iconic look. Stylist Rhea Kapoor even shared pictures of Rekha in her original Silsila look on Instagram, showing us just how perfectly Alia's homage was executed. Fashion commentator Diet Sabya also weighed in, saying, "Rekha Ma in Silsila has given us fashion and heartbreak refrains for ages, eons, centuries, and the only way to pay homage is to do it correctly or not do it at all, and Alia did it correctly." Styled in TT Custom Couture, her baby pink sari, or is it lilac, was paired with those gorgeous feather earrings, making her look both modern and timeless. Umrao Jaan, the film that inspired this tribute, is set to return to theaters this Friday. Restored by the National Film Development Corporation, the classic will bring Rekha's unforgettable portrayal of Amiran back to the big screen. And don't forget, Alia is set to wow us next in Love and War and the YRF action thriller Alpha. We can't wait. Alia Bhatt in a Rekha-inspired sari. It's safe to say, she's giving us major fashion goals. Let us know what you think about this stunning tribute. Punjabi singer Guru Randhawa found himself in hot water on social media this week after posting a cryptic note that many believe was aimed at fellow singer and actor Diljit Dosanjh. Guru's post read, "When the PR team is more talented than the talent itself, controversies become part of daily routine. The day is near when our people will open their eyes and know the truth. LOL, first of every month dropping bombs, God bless the FI PR and the artists." The message raised eyebrows, and netizens quickly speculated that this was a dig at Diljit Dosanjh, who is currently at the center of a controversy surrounding his film Sardar Ji 3. The film features Pakistani actress Hania Amir, which has sparked backlash given the recent tensions between India and Pakistan. Diljit, known for his patriotism, was already facing criticism for casting Hania, despite the ongoing ban on Pakistani artists in India following the Pahalgam terrorist attack. In response, the makers of Sardar Ji 3 issued a statement clarifying, "This is to bring to everyone's kind notice that the film, named Sardar Ji 3, was shot well before the prevailing situation that our country is facing right now, and it was never ever the case that any Pakistani artist was signed or was engaged after the terrorist attack in Pahalgam." The film will now be released only outside India, amidst the ongoing controversy. Following Guru's cryptic message, social media exploded with criticism. Many accused him of making a petty move, even suggesting that he was trying to use Diljit's controversy for his own publicity. And just as quickly as he posted it, Guru Randhawa deactivated his X handle, leaving fans and followers confused. No explanation was given for his sudden decision. The situation has left fans wondering, was this a genuine message or just a publicity stunt? As the drama continues, we'll keep you updated on any new developments. Stay tuned. Pooja Banerjee and Kunal Verma, the popular actor couple, are now facing fresh allegations just days after they spoke out about being victims of financial fraud. These new accusations are serious and they've caught everyone's attention. Bengali film producer Shyam Sundar De has accused the couple of kidnapping him in Goa, physically assaulting him, and extorting money. His wife, Malbika De, has even filed an FIR in connection with these claims. According to Shyam, the incident took place in Goa when he was driving a rented car after his family returned home from a trip. He claims that a black Jaguar stopped him and two men forced him out of his car. Shyam says that when he saw Pooja, he thought it was just a misunderstanding. But things quickly took a disturbing turn. Shyam alleges that he was taken to Amber Villa, where he was held captive from 1st June to 4th June. He claims that Kunal Verma physically assaulted him, and despite his pleas, Pooja remained silent and did nothing to stop it. Shyam claims that despite having a professional relationship with the couple, there was no justification for the alleged assault. Meanwhile, his wife, Malbika De, has taken to social media to share their side of the story. Malbika also claimed that Shyam was threatened with being framed in a drug case unless he paid around 64 lakh rupees, some of which was already paid to Pooja and Kunal through various channels. In the midst of this, Pooja took to social media to express her frustration, saying they are going through the toughest time of their lives. "Those who are standing by us, we will be forever grateful to you all. And those who believe in the lies spread against us, God bless them too. I believe in God and you know." This new twist has left many people questioning what exactly happened between the couple and Shyam Sundar De. Both parties have shared their side of the story, and now the legal system will decide the truth. As the investigation continues, We'll keep you updated on any developments. Stay tuned for more on this shocking story.